This unique and delicate crochet stitch uses double crochets and puff stitches. We will also use some single crochets in the first row. It's super repetitive and mindless once you get the hang of it. Let's get started. Get started by chaining a multiple of 3 plus 2. Working into the third chain from your hook, you are going to work a single crochet. Normally when we start with a single crochet, we work into the second chain from hook, so I just want to highlight that we are working into the third chain here. Okay, and now you're going to just work a single crochet into each chain across. So I'm working another single crochet here, and just keep working those single crochets all the way across, and that will complete row 1. I'll meet you at the end of this row. When you reach the end of the row, you are of course working a single crochet into that final chain, and then you can chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. For row 2, we are going to skip the first 2 stitches, and into the third stitch, work a double crochet. So there's 1 double crochet. We are going to work another double crochet back into that same stitch that we just worked our previous double crochet. Okay, and now we are going to work a puff stitch again into that same stitch. So yarn over for the puff stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through loop. We are going to do that a total of 3 times, so 2 more times here. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through loop. 1 more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through loop. Now you should have 7 loops on your hook. You can double check that. And then yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. And we are going to repeat that across the row and basically for the entirety of the pattern. So skip 2 stitches into the next stitch, work a double crochet. So there's 1 double crochet, work another double crochet into that same stitch. So here's the second double crochet. And then we are going to work a puff stitch into that same stitch. So let me show you that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through loop. We do that 3 times total. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Now you should have 7 loops on your hook, and you can yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Okay, we are just going to repeat that all the way across the row. So skip 2 stitches into the next stitch, work 2 double crochet and a puff stitch. So here's 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, and now a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, and just repeat that all the way across. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, and then working into the turning chain, work a double crochet. Perfect, so row 2 is complete. You can chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. So for row 3, we are going to skip the first stitch, and into this second stitch, we are going to work what we have been working, which is our 2 double crochet and a puff stitch. So I'm working a double crochet and another double crochet into that same stitch, and now a puff stitch back into that same stitch. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. Okay, and now we are going to repeat what we did in the previous row. So skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch, work 2 double crochet and a puff stitch. So here's 1 double crochet, and another double crochet, and now a puff stitch. And that is what you will repeat all the way across this row. Skip 2 stitches, and then in the next stitch, 2 double crochet and a puff stitch. So there is our puff stitch complete. So we are going to skip 2 stitches, and into the next stitch, 2 double crochet and a puff stitch. There's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and a puff stitch. Remember to yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through loop 3 times. That leaves 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops. Just repeat that all the way across. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1, skip 3 stitches at the end of this row, and into that turning chain, work a double crochet. So there is our last and final double crochet. This is what the end of row 3 is looking like. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Repeat row 3 until your project reaches your desired length. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for new videos every week. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok for bite-sized crochet and knitting content. And all my patterns are at modernmade.net and Modern Made Shop on Etsy. I'll see you next time.